Hello friends, I am Shataj and welcome you to my channel instituterank.com. So friends, today I am going to discuss the best agricultural optional IAS coaching in India. So friends, agriculture is very interesting subject, so I would suggest you to go topic by topic mentioned in syllabus. After completing the whole static portion, start with current research going on this field along with technologies, schemes, policies, government initiatives, major achievements, important people, etc. So friends, for your optional subject agriculture, the rank 1 coaching in India is the Hindu Zone. The Hindu Zone is one of the best platform in India for your optional subject agriculture. Now you are thinking how? So let me tell you, it is a platform where all the best online and offline coaching of India is registered. If you want to study, then you can just go to the Hindu Zone and there you will find video lectures. So now you are thinking, if you will study from video lectures, then how will you clarify your doubts? So let me tell you, there is another option. Doubt clearing session is conducted every week where you can clarify all your doubts, and all the study materials and notes are also provided. And one specialty of the Hindu Zone is also provide counseling session, free counseling session which is going to be helpful for all the students. So friends, if you want more information about the Hindu Zone, then you can just visit to their website or you can call at their number. Now we are moving to next rank 2 coaching in India for your optional subject agriculture is Yojana IAS. So Yojana IAS is one of the best coaching for English medium and Hindi medium students both. If you want to study from Hindi medium, then you can choose Yojana IAS, and also if you want to study from English medium. It has specialized faculties for all the subject. You will get all the study materials, mock test series and everything. You will get all the facilities and it is also available in both online and offline mode. So once visit to its website, you will get all the information about Yojana IAS. So now friends, we are moving to rank 3rd coaching for your optional subject agriculture. Rank 3rd coaching is in India is Plutus IAS. So Plutus IAS is one of the best coaching in India which will make you prepare for your optional subject agriculture, as it is available on both online and offline mode. Plutus IAS has the best faculty members team. It has all the experienced and knowledgeable faculty members. Plutus IAS also provide you all the study materials, all the notes, and also conduct mock test regularly, which is very important for any exam preparation, because mock test help you learn your level of preparation. So mock test is very important, and doubt session is also specially conducted where you can ask all your doubts. The faculty member is very supportive. Their way of teaching is very unique. They make your every concept clear, and they also provide you very good notes. So if you study concentrated in this coaching, then you will be able to crack IAS with good rank, because IAS is one of the most toughest exam in India, but Plutus IAS has given best result in IAS. More than 50% student of Plutus IAS has cracked the exam with good rank last year, and the rating of students for Plutus IAS is 4.8 out of 5. So if you want to study in your best coaching, then you can go for Plutus IAS. And now last rank 4 coaching in India for your optional subject agriculture is Kautilya IAS. Kautilya IAS is one of the best coaching specialized for judiciary civil services. If you want to do preparation for judiciary civil service, then you must choose Kautilya IAS. It is a term of experienced and knowledgeable faculty members. Their teaching way is very unique. They are focused to judiciary civil services. All the study materials are prepared in very specialized manner. They gives you very good notes and good series which will help you to prepare in best way. And the result of Kautilya IAS of previous year is very great. So friends, thank you for watching my full video, and if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe our channel for more updates related to government exams.